Welcome back to the Autovex. The scene opens in front of a modern architectural masterpiece, where sharp lines of glass and steel reflect the early morning light. And standing boldly at the center is a heavily customized Cadillac Escalade, Larte Design Edition, a luxury SUV transformed by Larte Design into an aggressive, head-turning machine that takes the already iconic Escalade to an entirely new level of presence and exclusivity. And from the very first moment, it becomes clear that this is not just a luxury SUV, it is a statement of dominance, power, an elite customization. As the camera slowly pushes toward the front, the Escalade's redesigned fascia immediately captures attention, featuring a massive, bold grille with intricate detailing and a darker, more aggressive finish, while the signature vertical LED daytime running lights stretch downward like glowing blades, giving the SUV a futuristic and intimidating look. And the addition of carbon fiber elements in the bumper and splitter enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamics, creating a design that feels both luxurious and performance-driven. Moving along the side profile, the Escalade's already imposing size is further amplified by Larte Design's custom body kit, which includes extended fenders, sculpted side skirts, and massive multi-spoke alloy wheels that fill the arches perfectly, giving the SUV a wide and planted stance, while the matte or satin black finish adds a stealthy and premium touch, making it stand out even in a segment filled with luxury vehicles. And every detail is crafted to elevate the Escalade's road presence. As the camera glides toward the rear, the transformation continues with a sportier bumper design, integrated diffuser, and dual exhaust outlets that hint at the power beneath the hood, while the vertical LED taillights maintain Cadillac's signature identity, and subtle branding elements from Larte Design remind you that this is a bespoke creation, designed for those who demand exclusivity and individuality. Step inside, and the Escalade reveals a cabin that perfectly blends traditional luxury with modern technology, featuring premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and meticulously crafted details that create a first-class environment. While the massive curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, offering a futuristic interface that combines the instrument cluster, infotainment, and navigation into one seamless system, delivering both style and functionality. The seating experience is nothing short of exceptional, with spacious rows that offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort for every passenger, while the rear seat entertainment system transforms the cabin into a mobile theater, making long journeys feel effortless and enjoyable. And the attention to detail in materials and finishes reflects the Escalade's position as a flagship luxury SUV. Under the hood, the Escalade Larte Design Edition retains the powerful foundation of the standard model, typically equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing around 420 horsepower, delivering strong and confident performance that matches its bold appearance, while the smooth shifting automatic transmission and advanced suspension system ensure that the SUV remains comfortable and composed, even on rough roads, providing a driving experience that balances power with refinement. Performance in this customized Escalade is more about commanding presence and smooth delivery rather than aggressive sportiness, offering a ride that feels stable, controlled, and luxurious, while the available four-wheel drive system enhances traction and confidence in driving conditions, making it a versatile vehicle that can handle both city streets and long highway journeys with ease. Technology plays a crucial role in defining the Escalade experience, with features such as advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, ensuring safety and convenience, while the premium audio system delivers a rich and immersive sound experience, turning every drive into a concert-like environment, and the intuitive infotainment system keeps everything easily accessible. One of the most unique selling points of the Cadillac Escalade Larte Design Edition is its ability to combine factory luxury with aftermarket aggression, creating a vehicle that stands out in both design and exclusivity, offering a level of customization that allows owners to express their while still enjoying the comfort and reliability of a premium SUV. And this combination is what makes it truly special in the luxury automotive world. As the cinematic sequence reaches its peak, the Escalade is shown cruising through a city at night, its bold design reflecting neon lights while the interior glows softly with ambient lighting, creating a powerful contrast between exterior aggression and interior calm. And in that moment, it becomes clear that this is more than just a Corvette, it is a lifestyle statement designed for those who want to stand out. In conclusion, the Cadillac Escalade Larte Design Edition stands as a bold and luxurious SUV that pushes the boundaries of design and customization, combining aggressive styling, advanced technology, and refined performance into a single, unforgettable package. And as the final shot fades out with the vehicle disappearing into the city lights, it leaves a lasting impression as a true icon of modern luxury and individuality, proving that when it comes to making a statement, few vehicles can match its presence. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.